Welcome to BobMath. In this video, we have a new exercise for algebra. Well, our exercise is as follow. We have x, y, and z as a real number, and we have x greater 1, y greater 1, and z greater 1. Show that x, y, z plus 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by y plus 1 divided by z greater x plus y plus z plus 1 divided by x, y, z. Always before discussing the solution, try to complete the exercise to increase your skill in mathematics, then complete the video. We know that y greater 1. Now we multiply the inequality by the number minus 1. So minus 1 times y less than 1 times minus 1. So minus y less than minus 1. Now we will perform the reciprocal of the number. So the order will change from less to great. So minus 1 divided by y greater minus 1. And we have x greater 1. So x plus minus 1 divided by y greater 1 plus minus 1. And therefore x minus 1 divided by y greater 0. We call this inequality 1. In the same way, we show that y minus 1 divided by z greater 0 and z minus 1 divided by x greater 0. We call this inequality 2 and this inequality 3. Now we multiply these inequalities 1, 2, and 3 side by side. So we got x minus 1 divided by y times y minus 1 divided by z times z minus 1 divided by x greater 0. So xy minus x divided by z minus y divided by y plus 1 divided by yz, all times z minus 1 divided by x greater 0. Therefore xy minus x divided by z. Now we simplify the number y, so we got minus 1 plus y divided by yz, all times z minus 1 divided by x greater 0. And therefore x yz minus x y divided by x minus x z divided by z plus x divided by zx minus z plus 1 divided by x plus z divided by yz and minus 1 divided by x yz greater 0. Now we simplify the numbers x and z, so we got x yz minus y minus x plus 1 divided by z minus z plus 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by y and minus 1 divided by x yz greater than 0. Therefore x yz plus 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by y plus 1 divided by z greater x plus y plus z plus 1 divided by x, y, z. Therefore, this is the relationship required in this exercise. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.